Hello everyone. You looking to prioritize your health and well-being as you age? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we will share 5 daily habits that can make a big difference in your life after 60. These habits have been backed by scientific research and are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So let's get started. Habit No. 1. Start your day with morning sunlight and hydration. Getting exposure to sunlight first thing in the morning is a great habit for maintaining good sleep and managing your biological clock. Sunlight also aids in the production of vitamin D, which helps older adults maintain bone health and reduces the risk of fractures. Even better, combine this habit with drinking a glass of water to help replenish your body's hydration levels, which can improve your energy levels and overall health. We recommend using a straw to make it easier to drink. Habit No. 2. Incorporate light stretching and walking into your morning routine. Stretching and light physical activity like walking can help improve blood circulation, to increase flexibility and reduce joint pain. It can also boost your mood and provide a sense of calm throughout the day. For those who are not used to exercising, it's important to start slowly and gradually. Increase the intensity and duration of your stretching and walking routine over time. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Habit No. 3. Eat balanced meals with plenty of fiber and protein. Consuming a balanced diet that includes plenty of fiber and protein can help maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease, and improve digestion. Fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while protein-rich foods such as lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and tofu can help preserve muscle mass and strength. As we age, it's important to pay attention to our nutritional needs and make sure we're getting enough of all the essential vitamins and minerals. A well-balanced diet can help support healthy aging and improve overall quality of life. Habit No. 4. Establish a quality sleep routine. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining both physical and mental health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. To improve sleep quality, practice good sleep hygiene habits, such as avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed, keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool, so only using your bed for sleeping. These habits can help you get a restful night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Habit No. 5. Make time for social activities and mental wellness. Staying socially active and engaged in activities you enjoy can help keep your mind sharp and reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Also helps to reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, which can be common among older adults. Try to make time for hobbies, activities, or volunteer work that interests you. You can also stay connected with friends and family by phone, video chat, or in person. These simple habits can make a big difference in your life after 60. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and well-being and enjoy a better quality of life. Remember to consult with your doctor before making any major changes to your diet or exercise routine. And if you find these habits helpful, please share them with your friends and family. At Healthy Habitat, we are committed to providing you with the best possible content. We would appreciate it if you could take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching.